welcome our colleagues who are present this morning, ladies and gentlemen who will be witnesses, and the members of the public and the press. It's great to have you with us. The United States is spending more of our national wealth, more of our business firms' income, more of our family and individual income on health care than any of our industrial competitors anywhere in the world. And I do think there's an emerging consensus we're not getting what we're paying for. We're not getting the quality that everyone wants and deserves, and we're certainly not getting the coverage that everyone wants and we believe deserves. There are too many people left out of our system. There is too much money spent within our system on other than providing health care to people, spent on what many of us feel is wasted expenditures. At the President's urging, the country and the Congress have embarked upon a broad national debate about how to fix that problem. And I would like to commend members of both parties in both the House and even the Senate, for moving beyond a simple recitation of the country's problems to a robust debate about the proposed solutions to those problems. It is long overdue. We believe that legislating on those solutions is long overdue as well. This morning, for our subcommittee, will mark an important milestone in the debate, and one of the more broadly supported and interesting solutions to the problem will be considered by the subcommittee in the form of the legislation proposed by the very distinguished chairman of the Judiciary Committee, Mr. Conyers. He will be our first witness this morning. You may applaud if you'd like. He will be our first witness this morning and will summarize and advocate for his legislation, as I'm sure he will do forcefully and articulately. We will then proceed to a panel of what you might call lay witnesses. John, I guess that implies that you're a holy person, but we'll proceed to a panel of lay witnesses. And one thing I would ask our colleagues to consider, out of courtesy to the lay witnesses, is that once Mr. Conyers, Chairman Conyers, has concluded his statement, those who would like to ask him questions, obviously under the rules, are permitted to do so. I'm not going to avail myself of that opportunity, and I believe Mr. Klein is not either. And we urge members to consider not questioning Mr. Conyers, not because he's beyond being questioned, but because the lay witnesses have traveled from far and wide to be here today. We'd like them to have maximum opportunity to interact with the panel so we can hear their views as well. So Mr. Conyers has proposed a solution to this problem. He argues it with great passion. It is a solution that, unlike some in the Senate, I believe belongs on the table for consideration and for vigorous and fair consideration. That's what the purpose of this hearing is this morning.